I don't know about for you, but for me, it's getting to be that time of year where I'm getting ready to do the big Halloween display outside and maybe the Christmas display. Maybe we'll even squeeze in a Thanksgiving one in there just to have an excuse to play with lights and smoke machines and lasers and all that kind of stuff. That's me, and I just love it. And when CRST reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review this heavy duty, and when I say heavy duty, we're talking real metal, 8-socket surge protector, and I have been so positively impressed with this. Now, I've worked with them before and they've asked me to do reviews and everything has been good up to this point, but this is the first one that I looked at and I was like, oh man, I'm so glad I have this. So let me tell you why. First off, you got a 15-foot cable, which means when I'm setting up my big holiday display out front, I can run this thing out there and have 8 plugs. And I really do appreciate, because I'm doing a lot of inflatables, lasers, that kind of stuff, and they end up with these big thick plugs, right? Well, if you have just a regular power strip where they're all together like this, look, I just took out 3 of them with 1 plug, but this unit has it balanced, has 5 up here, and then it has 3 spaced out here where I could take these giant things and they all fit in there. Look at that, how smart is that? And then, just to make it even a little better, look, you got a USB-C and a USB-A, both because I now do have some LED light strips which are powered by USB, so that works great for my display. Again, like I'm telling you, it might sound here. It is a metal case. This thing is solid. It is heavy. It is not like a beast that you can't carry it, but this thing is a solid piece of equipment. Just in case you like all those numbers and stuff, you got 1350 joules of protection here, a 15 amp system, and a 14 gauge heavy duty 15-foot wire. There's no way you can possibly go wrong with this. You should definitely get yourself one, and you could use either the link here on the screen or down below in the description. Both of them work the same way and neither one costs you any extra money. If I've added some value to you in this conversation, give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more cool content like this, because I'm going to be decking out the front of this house and I'm going to use this and a whole bunch of other cool stuff. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.